Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Blake, and as you can see, I got my hair cut. Today I'm doing, well, the challenge didn't really start yet, but it starts in the morning. So I'm eating only small portions for 24 hours, which I feel like will help because I eat a lot. Yeah. If you don't know what a portion is, it's basically the size, or how much you eat, so yeah, I'm gonna be packing my lunch, right after this clip, but I was just gonna say that I know I skipped a couple days of the spring vlogs, but honestly, I needed a break, so, yeah, so I'm still gonna keep doing the spring vlogs. Anyways, it's day 5. I already did 4 days straight, so I feel like that's pretty good. So, yeah. Okay, so I got my lunch box. That's what it looks like, if you didn't know. I'm gonna put an orange. Also, when I do this challenge, it's just not gonna be small portions. I'm also gonna try to eat healthy. But I feel like I normally eat healthy. Just today, I did not eat healthy at all. So, I didn't eat healthy at all today. So, I'm gonna try to find some more stuff. Okay, for my main course, I have peanut butter jelly. It's wheat bread, so I consider that healthy in my book. And peanut butter is good for you, just the jelly's not that good, so whatever, honestly. So, what is that? Is that egg? What is that? You can't see it in real life. What the fuck is that? Okay, anyways, wait, why did I say that's egg? That is, how would it be egg? Okay, anyways, that's main course or whatever. And for the last thing, I'm just gonna put these little chips in there, because I like eating peanut butter jelly with chips on it. I'm very weird, so I'm gonna get a drink now. I just found this Tropicana juice or whatever, some apple juice, because I like apple juice. And that's a pretty good lunch. That'll fill me up. So usually I do unhealthy food. I would put like another extra snack in here, probably more chips. So I feel like this is better. And I have napkins, so that's my lunch. Okay, so I have my Bubba cup. Because this keeps my stuff cold. So I don't need ice. I got my alkaline water. Alkaline water is probably the best for you, so drink your alkaline water. And this will be my water for tomorrow at school. I need a straw. Back in. Okay, so this is my water for school tomorrow. And I'm just gonna open up the fridge. And oh my god, it's so hard to film. And I'm gonna put it on the top, right here. I'm gonna put my lunch at the top too. Okay, there we go. Hey guys, so this is my breakfast. It's egg, cheese sandwich, so just a sandwich. So that's my breakfast. I don't really have much to show. But then we'll get to dinner soon. But I just got ready for school, straightened my hair. This is my dinner. I didn't eat any of this, I just mixed it. And I ate some of this already, so I'm gonna film later. Hey guys, so I'm gonna take off my makeup, and y'all are gonna see what I was supposed to today. It's just really stressful, and I was really busy today. I have school y'all gotta remember, like, oh, I'm full-time in school. I don't have virtual. And it's hard for me to film every day. So, this is just a little bit harder to film. I'm gonna get a tripod because this is a terrible setup, so. Okay. Miss Tripod over here, honey, just decided to flip over all of my stuff while I was removing my makeup. That's unacceptable. Like, you can't do that. Stop. He's about to do it again. That is... Swear to God. I need, like, a camera, a secure tripod, because I can't be doing this to my phone for much longer. So many pimples. It's annoying. Like, I don't even know why I'm putting a face mask on my forehead. I don't even... But, we'll do it. Okay, that's my face mask. And I'll update you. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you the videos I watch. I'm very weird. I watch some prank videos and stuff just for my entertainment. Ow. I have an itch on my leg. Like, on my foot. Hey guys, I'm watching vlogs on YouTube, so, I think it's time to take my face mask off. Okay, so I left this on for way too long, and I am not a professional YouTuber, so let's just put you guys right on my damn shelf. Elf on the shelf, who? Yup, it's you, bitch. You the new damn elf on the shelf. I left this mask on for like 15 minutes, which is too long. I mean, I guess that's reasonable, I guess. But so first, I'm going to go in with my hydrating foam. Just going to take a little bit, because I've been using a lot of cleanser. And a little bit of soap. Are you fucking kidding me? I was like ranting for like a minute straight. Like, longer maybe. And my camera turned off. I don't know what I filmed before, but I'm taking off my face mask and I have things all over me. I was gonna say you should probably wear a face mask a lot, but now half my camera footage is gone, so that's just great. Okay. Oh, there's still a face mask on it. Bitch, get off. Leave my skin. Thank you. It's been on for too long. Ow. I literally have a love-hate relationship with skincare. Oh, bitch. Ugh. Okay, so that's skincare. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.